Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to withdraw Pi coins in Easypaisa, JazzCash, PayPal, etc. Firstly, know that Pi is not fully tradable on all exchanges. Make sure the Pi network has officially launched its open mainnet before transferring coins, otherwise you might lose your Pi in scams. Firstly, choose an exchange that lists Pi or USDT or Pi or Bitcoin. For example, OKX, HTX, BitGet, and MEXC. Create an account and complete KY verification with your ID. Now open the exchange app, then go to deposit, then select Pi. Copy the wallet address given, and in your Pi network app, send your Pi coins to that wallet address, and always double check addresses before sending. Now, go to the traded section, then choose Pi, USDT, or another available pair. Place a sell order at market price on your chosen price, and once the order is matched, you'll get USDT or Bitcoin. Now, since exchanges don't directly support Easypaisa or JazzCash, you'll need a P2P withdrawal method. You have to convert Pi to USDT on the exchange. Then go to P2P Trade-in, which is available, and select a buyer or seller who supports Easypaisa or JazzCash. Enter the amount you want to sell, and the buyer will send PKR to your Easypaisa JazzCash account. And once you confirm the receipt, the exchange releases your USDT to them. And from Easypaisa or JazzCash, withdraw to your local bank or ATM, or from PayPal, withdraw to your linked bank card. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.